Hi to all, my name is HD Dog. So in today's video I have this HD antenna for TV, and let's open it up and see what we have inside. So I bought this antenna from Temu. As you can see, digital TV antenna, high gain, magnetic base. Okay, we have strong signal, we have full HD, we have 4K and 1080p full HD. Okay, let's open it up and see what we have in. So let's open it up. What we have in the box? In the box we have, okay, let's check. Nothing in. Okay, so this is basically information that you have to user's manual that you need to check. Here you have all the different languages. Okay, what we have here, this is just EU declaration of conformity. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, this is the antenna. Oh, it's nice, little. Okay, here you have connector. If you have this type of connector in it on your TV, or let's see what we have else. And here is our antenna. So for this you need, so here's the connector if you have this one, or you simply put this in tight and then you have this connector. Okay, here is the base, here's the USB for powering, because this needs, let's move this, and you simply put it like this. And now let's check if this antenna is any good. So let's go downstairs. Where is my TV? And just to show you, my old antenna is right over there, as you can see, in that corner. And we're gonna see if this new one is better than this old one. So this is my TV and this is my old antenna. As you can see, or you can see, I need to flip it so you can see, this is my old antenna. And let's check the signal. If you go here, go to settings, channel, and we go to signal straight. As you can see, it's around 51%. And now let's put this one and see if you have the better signal. So I've put the antenna, so you need USB for power, and I put it here. And then what is interesting now, as you can see, we don't have signal. But if we move it a little bit, let's say up here, then we still don't have a signal. But I found out if I move it here, like here, then you see the signal goes to 19%. So with my old one, I had it less signal, but you need to find good position, and then you see we have 99% and we have quality signal of 100. So that's very good antenna if you ask me. So this is very good. And we go back Yeah, you see, it works. An antenna is there. I just need to put wire away so it doesn't show. But if you go, you have to find the best location, and the best location is here for my house. For your, it will be different. And if we go to channels, you can see I have 8. And let's now go to settings and let's search for new channels. Maybe we had even more. Okay, let's go to settings and let's go to check the new signal. If we go in here, go to channels, and we're gonna go search, auto search. Okay, yes, search digital antenna, yes, search. Okay, and I'll be back when this is finished. So at 24 we have 8 digital channels, and I'll be back when we get more. So at 27% we have 34 channels, but that's not it. We need to wait a little bit more. So now we have 46 channels and it's at 60%. So we have more channels. That's good. And now it's gonna be over. Yes, we are at 46 channels, and if we go down, before we have 8 and now we have 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got more, so that's good. And we're gonna see how good are these channels. Yeah, everything works, but you have to find a perfect place for antenna. And perfect place for antenna is here, because if I move it a little bit, I will lose the signal. Just to show you, if I just move it like here, you see I don't have the channel. So you need to find the perfect place to put it. So you see I made a circle. So if I put it right here, and you see, then I have channel. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, support me, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and wait for my next video. Thanks for watching. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up. Like I said, this is the antenna. It is a good product from Temu, so you can buy it. I just show you that it works. Thanks for watching. See you. Z3 Dark out. Bye.